I'm Prashant Kale and I'm a faculty here in the strategy area at the Jones School of Business at Rice University. Today I'll briefly share with you my experiences about the Shell program. It was called the Shell Explorer program. The target audience for it was the senior and mid-level executives in the exploration business of Shell. Shell brought in a real live action project into the classroom and the purpose was for participants to apply the learnings of the concepts and content that they were taking from the faculty and apply it to this real life project. This program was held in 3 different parts of the world. The diversity of the participants was phenomenal. They came from every single different country that I can think of in the 5 years that we did this program. So we actually also got in some experts who brought in the design thinking approach to help the participants understand the process of ideation. So one of the key themes of my program when we were talking of strategy was how can Shell create a lot of incremental value through innovation? So we had a senior executive from Procter and Gamble, or a senior executive from Philips, or a senior executive from Johnson & Johnson come and share their experiences with Shell. And I think that added a lot of credibility to the conversation that was happening in the classroom. And so overall, I think it added to the learning of the participants and hence eventually the recommendations we could provide. So all in all, it was one of the best programs I taught.